Buckle up, because today we're diving into the fascinating world of Amazon Web Services, or AWS, and exploring why becoming AWS certified is a game changer. Earning an AWS certification can propel your career to new heights, opening doors to lucrative job opportunities and placing you among the elite in the field of cloud computing. Welcome to the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate Certification course, brought to you by TheOpsKart. A one-stop shop for those beginning their journey in AWS. This course is meticulously crafted to equip you with the fundamental knowledge and skills needed to ace the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam. The course objectives are designed thoughtfully, each serving a unique benefit. The first objective focuses on understanding the core AWS services and their use cases. This not just familiarizes you with the AWS ecosystem, but also provides clarity on how different services function and interact. Having a firm grasp on this is like holding a key that unlocks a multitude of AWS features. Secondly, the course aims to teach you how to design and deploy highly available, cost-effective, and scalable architectures on AWS. This will make you the go-to person for creating robust and efficient systems that can withstand high traffic and still perform optimally. Thirdly, the objective is to gain proficiency in using AWS management tools and services. This is where you go from being a novice to a proficient AWS user, handling AWS tools like a pro and navigating through the AWS services with ease. Finally, the course prepares you for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam. Passing this exam is a testament to your understanding and proficiency in AWS. It's a badge of honor that sets you apart in the competitive world of cloud computing. To sum it up, this course is your launchpad into the world of AWS. It goes beyond traditional lectures, offering extensive hands-on labs to ensure practical experience goes hand in hand with theoretical knowledge. So, why wait? Enrollment is just a click away. Embrace the opportunity to learn from TheOpsKart's comprehensive certification course. Equip yourself with the skills, knowledge, and confidence needed to design, deploy, and manage scalable AWS architectures. It's time to take the first step towards a rewarding career in cloud computing. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and embark on your journey to becoming an AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. The future is in the cloud, and it's waiting for you.